All right, they open up the river every day. I think the ocean comes over, fills it up, and they open it up, and it's pretty wicked. We barely got well, we're trying to get across with our bags, and it's fairly shallow there, but the current's so strong it took me out, but the boys made it, and then the girls swam. What happened?
There's waves now.
Go for it. Oh. It seems to be getting stronger and stronger. Now there's people on this side that can't get to this side, so I'm not sure. If you can swim, it's fine, because you could just either go out in the ocean or you could go up there and swim, but if you have bags, you're not going to get across without getting wet, that I can see. We crossed just in time, probably like 5 minutes ago it was okay, but now it's even worse and faster, so. Good morning, everyone. This is our last day here in Yelapa. It's supposed to be 29 degrees today, our hottest day yet. We're going to, yesterday we went to the falls, the Yelapa waterfalls, which was like an hour and a half hike, maybe a little bit more. But today we're gonna go check out the other ones that are in town. They're the smaller falls, and I think it's only like a 10-minute walk, maybe 15-minute walk up through town. So we'll show you guys that today. Yeah, we'll bring you along to the waterfalls. Place here in Yelapa, we're gonna head towards, I don't know what they call it, downtown area, and then we got to go up through town to that waterfall. Pretty easy to find, so we'll show you the way. So if you come from the town pier, the main pier, you would come up, probably hard to describe, but once you get, there's a bar on the corner here. When you see this bar, this is the way to go. And if you do a tour or anything, like if any of the tours from Puerto Vallarta, they'll stop here and usually do a shot or whatever. But if you're just coming alone, that's the place. That's where you want to turn to go up, and then you basically just follow the road. And there'll usually be a bunch of vendors selling trinkets and souvenirs and stuff on the way. Maybe not now, but when the tour boats come, I think they for sure set up. But We're gonna beat the crowds today. If you need some drugs. Hola.
Hola. Pharmacy?
No gracias.
Okay.
I think they were just building this last time we were here. Huh? Videos of the guys building something here. Like this. Yeah. This looks like a new place. Looks like a pizza oven there. It's cool. I think last year when we were here, I seen the guys building that. They were just starting, but it doesn't look open. Lots of blankets. Yeah. Mexico. I like that black one.
Which one? Take day off to take family to the beach. I work for you guys to show my souvenir.
Okay. Yeah, it's literally no more than 15 minutes, or probably 10 minutes from that little bar on the corner there. It's a pretty easy hike. I don't know what the water levels are like right now. Could be fairly low, being late in the dry season.
You go up or down?
Oh, let's go up. I believe they have a bar up here as well. So if you need the restroom, it's 10 pesos, but I think if you buy a drink, it'll be free. So, oh, it's even, they made it different than last year. They built this up. Yeah, this platform is different. So, used to be that small wall over there. It used to go along, and now they've built this platform here. I don't know why, but it's a pretty waterfall. It's not as, it's taller than that other one we went to, the one that's far away, but not as much water coming down, but still very picturesque. Yeah, and if you're not into a long hike, this is the perfect one to go to in Yelapa, so highly recommend. Let's check out the temperature. It's not so bad. Probably like the other waterfall. I just remember being a lot colder. Probably like 3 feet deep at the deepest part, so you can go and sit underneath the waterfall. Go for a dive. Go for a dive.
Look here. Just a second.
Colder than the other one, or the same?
I think it's a little colder.
A little colder? From up here you can get some drinks. Drinks up here, and baño this way. More tables. Hombre. See, here no. Josie got a Choco Loco, or what's it called?
Coco Loco.
Coconut.
Vodka.
Vodka, gin, and grenadine, and then obviously the coconut water. Pretty good. It looks like Jaden crashed the drone. He decided to film down there, and without GPS, so I think he lost signal, so he's flying without GPS and then crashed it, so we'll see. He found the drone, but it was in the water, so we're not sure. It's probably going to be wrecked, but we'll see. To dry it out. Pequeño.
Poquito, yeah.
How much are your bandanas?
100 pesos.
100 pesos.
What is this?
Mezcal. Moonshine.
Moonshine.
You make?
No, I don't make it, but
They
the
make it
locals
local?
made it,
Local?
Oh, it's sweet.
Yeah.
Can I try it? Little?
Yeah.
Or here?
One-
No, this
one
is
more?
good. This is
You want
good.
to try?
Sure.
It's like, yeah, it's very smooth.
Yeah.
I thought it would be more. But yeah, and we bought some shirts and tried some moonshine mezcal, which was really good. It was like sweet. We're on our way back. Just stopped at the drugstore to get some medication. Now we're heading back to our room. We're gonna get refreshed and head to the beach for our last full beach day. And we are back. We're just gonna get changed and get the stuff we need to go to the beach. And we're gonna head over there. We stopped at the store and got some snacks. Yeah, we're gonna enjoy our last beach day here because we're gonna leave around noon tomorrow for catch our water taxi. Okay, can't see through the trees there, but there's a pier. Catch our water taxi there to go back to Boca to Tomatlan, and then we'll catch our Uber but we're gonna go to Bucerias for our last 3 nights.
They want to get this flowing, but I think I'm on the wrong side of the stream if it goes. They want to get the lagoon flowing to the ocean. At some point tonight it will eventually connect, but they're trying to get it going sooner. Just a bunch of big kids.
So we're just at the beach here at Del Mar, where we have been the last couple beach days, and they have some parasailing going on here. So Matthias and Sailor are gonna do it. There's the boat there. It's just a tiny little ski boat. I don't know if it's an old ski nautique or something. So Matthias is right there in the life jacket. We'll video him as he goes up. Probably not gonna get much footage when he's out there, but we'll video.
Under the whole thing, under this thing, under all this.
Really not much to that harness, but it's Mexico for you. They're pretty, we're watching them, they're pretty good. They'll drop them right in the same spot. He's pretty good at landing these guys, so they just do a little loop in the bay here, and it's probably like, I don't know, a minute, maybe two. Not very long.
Yep. Look, for take off, amigo, in case you don't see, you can let go. Once you take off, if you don't sit well, when you take off, you can let go your hands.
I can adjust.
And
Yeah.
fix your seat. Okay? Okay?
Okay.
Vámonos! All right, there he goes. Judging how far to bring them in. There you go. Really? Just feels good?
You just get up there so quick and then you're up there, so
Yeah.
it's just...
Can you feel the pull in the boat?
Yeah. No, I felt when there was slack in the rope.
Oh,
and then
yeah.
you just come down a little bit and then...
Josie's over there. She's nervous for her kids being in the air, so she's a little bit lighter, so they need to use the smaller parachute, so that's why they switched her to this one. And they just got to take the rope off there, put it on here, and she'll be good to go. So they both one whistle, and they got to pull the right hand, and that swings him in, and then he blows again, they let go. So the guy on the ground here, he times them how to come in for a landing, and he brings them right in here. So there she is there. Pull a little bit. Gracias. How was that?
Good.
Yeah? Were you swinging your feet up there? Feels good up there?
Yeah. Like $50
All right, so that was the parasailing at Yelapa. Another adventure with the kids. They both said you get up there so fast, and then like if you have any fear, it just leaves. So I don't know. Must just feel comfortable up there. But yeah, neither of them were scared once they were up there. So I guess I would recommend doing it, even though I haven't done it. But yeah, we're gonna enjoy another cerveza on the beach.